Thunder Entertainment Con and Warner Bros. Animation present Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry, Robin Hood and his Merry Mouse.
In days of old, when knights were bold, good King Richard the Lionheart ruled all England. But while this beloved king was off fighting in foreign lands, his wicked brother, Prince John, seized the throne and used his power to tax the innocent folk to near starvation. His cruel henchman, the Sheriff of Nottingham, enforced this tyranny through might and cruelty. Poor England, it suffered so. The people so desperately needed a hero.